With so many restrictions on Africans, we are left with very few options on how to receive international payment. Now, this has turned a very huge pain on the neck of professionals and freelancers who are looking at working globally and remotely and getting paid. Basically, the options that are very popular on how to receive international payments have blocked access to several countries in Africa, including Nigeria, where I currently live in. And this alone has stopped me receiving international gig, working remotely, and as well getting paid from everywhere in the world. Now, in this video today, I'm going to share with you guys a simple tool that you can actually use to receive international payment. And this might actually be one you've heard about before, but then I actually want to give you guys more insight because it might still be underutilized, and as well show you guys how we can practically use this to build your business and grow globally. Now, this simple tool I'm going to share with you guys here is Payoneer, and this is actually one of the first options that comes to your mind if you've been thinking of how to have your PayPal account, or you're thinking of how to get a Skrill account, or you're thinking of how to use a Cash App and other several payment gateways that are known worldwide. Now, Payoneer is a simple payment solution that actually allows you to have virtual accounts in different currencies with which you can actually use to receive international payments, whether from your payment portals like Upwork, Amazon, and the rest. Now, this particular application, like as you can see on my screen here, gives me access to the USD account. You can see I have a USD account here. I have access to a Euro account, and I have access to a GBP account. Now, you're going to see that this account has series of balances. You can see this is 90 cents, 51 euros, and 6.6 pounds. Basically means that I have been able to receive payments in these different currencies. I've received payments in USD, I've received payments in euros, and I've also received payments in pounds. Right. I also have series of other accounts here as well. This is for the Canadian dollars, and this is also for the Japanese yuan. And this also means that I can actually get to work with people in these currencies, and I get paid using this particular application. Now, going down this list of the transactions I've done in the past, you can see here I've actually been able to transact several amounts, 2,000, 3,000, 700, and the last month. Now, with all of this, there are several other options that Payoneer allows you to have with receiving international payments. But in this video, I want to just basically walk you through how you can actually get to sign up and then confirm and create your own account, because right now it's a little bit more strict to have a Payoneer account than it has ever been. I would say lucky to those who have created their Payoneer account already and have one, because people who are currently signing up right now find it pretty difficult to even get access or have an account for themselves. Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through that simple process and show you how you can actually get started and flow through with owning an account in the different currencies for yourself. Okay. Now, one of the first things you actually want to do is to make sure that you are signing up with Payoneer using my link. Now, this particular link basically gives you access to $50 once you sign up, and you're able to transact about $1,000 with your account. Right. So when you come over here, you can see, let me go over to franklinemmanuel.com/Payoneer. Now, once I actually click this link right here, it's going to take me over to this sign up page. Now, this sign up page right here is quite different from every other sign up page you're going to go to, right? So you can see here, but then let me say you want to go ahead and sign up on Payoneer itself, you might actually get to miss out on this offer, right? You get to miss out on this referral offer that you would get. So this is the simple page here where you will go and sign up. You can just go ahead and register and you get started. But then if you're going to be using the link I'm going to leave in for you guys down in the description, you can see here it says sign up and earn $50. So if you have an existing account, then this is not for you. But if you have a new account, then you have this chance to win $50 for yourself. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead right now and sign up. And once I click on the sign up button, I'm going to be going over 3 different stages of verification, right? The very first one is where I get to put my own personal details, right? The second one is where I get to put my contact details, and the third step is where I get to follow up and check up on some security details that I would need in order to get my account fully activated. Okay, now from this particular space right here, you can see here it's asking if I'm an individual or a company, and I'm going to choose an individual basically. And what I just want to basically do right now is to go ahead and I will input all of these forms. I'll fill every one of them and then proceed to the next step. So I'll just quickly do that right away. So right here, what I've basically done is to just input my phone number, and I receive a code. Now this code is just to verify my phone number, because definitely you're going to still be using this number all through as you proceed with your account. Now the final stage here is where they get to ask you for your ID details and a whole lot of other stuff, right? So what you basically want to do is to go ahead and enter your personal security details, which is you entering your password, enter a security question which you're going to choose, and then from your ID details here you can go ahead and proceed to choosing whether you want to upload your national ID or driver's license or your international passport, right? So you're going to add your passport number here, and then you add the code that is going to be sent to you. And once you have done that, you can proceed to, okay, yeah, this is the code you're going to add, the ZXBQ2. Okay, yeah. So once you're done with that, the next step basically is where Payoneer gets to give you this option where you have to wait for 3 to 5 days, right, in order for them to cross-check your account, and then they get to approve you. Now the biggest problem that most of us are having is the fact that we enter the wrong details, okay, or we provide wrong information. Maybe your ID is not clear enough, right, or your ID is not the correct one. It doesn't really match with your details you've provided, right? Everything needs to match. If the ID on your passport is different from the one you provided, then they might actually get to just decline your sign up request. Okay, and within 3 to 5 days you can actually proceed. You're going to receive a mail that your account has been approved and you have your Payoneer account. Now once you have done this, the next step basically for you is to come back in and you can log into your account. So once you log into your account is basically going to be like mine, where you just might have the USD account details right here. Alright, so once you have this in, the very next step you actually want to do right now is to go over to banks and cards, right? That's the first thing you actually want to do once you have accounts set up. And once you come over to bank and card, you can actually go ahead and click on bank account for withdrawal. Now for every of the money you're receiving in Payoneer is going to pay you out to an account, okay? And that account right now is very important that you really know what account you're putting. Now normally I would say you should actually use your normal local accounts in Naira, but then because there is this disparity in the different rates in the country, from bank rate to power market rate when it comes to currency, international currency exchange and forex, right, I would really advise that you use an account you generate from Flax, right? Flax.co. Now this is a simple payment solution that you can actually use to receive international payment. So what Flax basically does, it helps you to receive your international payment and you can convert at high rate. Now I'm going to be creating a video where I will delve into more more info on Flax.co, right? But then I'm going to just drop a link in the description where you can actually sign up and create your own virtual accounts and also transact at the current black market rates. But here you just have to add your account, right? And once you're able to add your account, you can see you can integrate the account right here. Now this account right here is my Flax account actually, while this is my GT account. I'm basically not using this account anymore because I will not want to withdraw a bank rate, and this is my US bank account. I have a US bank and this is where it falls to, right? But beyond this, you can actually see where we can go ahead and look at banks and card again, and we see receiving account. Now receiving accounts basically gives you access to all of the accounts that is available on your Payoneer account at this point in time, right? So we can actually click on request accounts. Definitely yours will not be as plentiful as mine, so you can click on next, what account you want to receive. Now I have the option of having a Euro account, a AUD account, a Singapore account, a UAED account as well. Okay, so let's say we just want to go ahead and select the UAE account right now, and once I select that, you can see here I'm requesting to receive UAE account, and I click on submit request. Now once I click on that, it is going to take a while, and it says here we are reviewing your account, and then they would send me a mail on the status of this account. So I go ahead and click on view my accounts back here, and I would see that my UAE account is still pending approval, right? This is it right, it's pending approval. Now within 24 hours your account is approved and you're able to use this account to receive your payments inside of Payoneer. Okay, now this is actually a very simple step on how to actually get to create an account with Payoneer and receive international payments. There are several other options where Payoneer gets to give you a bank card. For example, I have a Payoneer card right here on my account, but then this was not open to me until I actually was able to hit an amount of transactions before they opened me up to this particular feature. So as a beginner, you might not be able to get this instantly until you're able to do some transaction on your Payoneer account. As well, I also have the option of payment request, where you can actually send someone a payment request, and you can see I've done one payment request here of about $714 from a client. But then this particular option as well was not open to me until I was able to transact about $5,000. Okay, now this is actually the way Payoneer works. This is how it rolls. But this is a very great option to those of us that want to receive international payments and are really looking at PayPal. This is a very good alternative for you to get started with right now. And getting started, you can go ahead and use the link I have in the description to sign up to your Payoneer account and stand a chance to earn $50 for yourself. Now, because receiving international payments is a very big issue, I'm gonna really create more videos around receiving international payment, because yes, as a professional and as a freelancer, I get this request a whole lot of time, people asking me what they can use to receive international payment. And myself as well, I've actually had series of international clients that will struggled when it comes to payment because we don't know how to receive payments here. So I'm going to create more videos on how I do these things and also how you can do them yourself and start receiving money in different currencies right here in the country, right? So work remotely right from the comfort of home and you're good to go. So if you love this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up right now, and as well subscribe to my channel, smash on the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my video videos, guys. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.